Hello dear students, hope you are fine. Again I am here for the next class, and very recently we have celebrated our 74th Independence Day. So I have brought something very exciting for you, and this is the best time to celebrate the theme Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. I will be teaching you some folk dance under the project of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. CBSE has initiated a program of integrating this art education subject with other subjects. So I find that I will be integrating my subject, dance, with social studies. How? Because I know when we learn social studies, that means we need to understand the social values and the geographical background of a place. So whereas the CBSE has exchanged or collaborated another state with Jharkhand, that is Goa. As other states are learning about us, the same way we will be learning about Goa. The people from Goa, the geographical background and the location of Goa, their food habits, their artifacts, their clothing, their fooding, their occupations, many things we need to learn about Goa. So, and moreover, since I am talking from the dance subject, so why not folk would be the right thing to, right media to learn about the social values as well as social studies. So as we know, Goa is situated in a Konkan coast. It's a coastal area, so definitely we will find there sea, we will find there sands, fish, fishermen boats, coconut trees and many more things. And moreover, the people from those coastal region are found as fishermen and women. That is their main occupation. So I thought of teaching you some fishermen dance, that's called Koli dance. So let's begin with the Koli dance under the project of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, where we will be integrating our subject with other subject, social studies, and we will be integrating other states to another state, and we will be together, so that it is Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. So let's begin with Koli dance.
कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी कोली सोरील्या डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी
I hope you have enjoyed the song. So we will be learning on this song. And the very firstly I must tell you, it is the dance of fishermen and women. When the low tides come, and that time with the boat, these fishermen are going for fishing, and these women are waiting for the fishes, lot of fishes to come back, and they will be selling it to the market. So that is their life. So in order to do this dance, because there are, see, today I'll be doing all alone, because boys are also involved and girls are also. So both the part I will be doing. For girls, props are required. Like girls are fisherwomen, so that is why they might be in need of a basket for the fishes. So with the basket they can dance. They dance. Boys or men, fishermen will be carrying, they may carry the rowing spade as they will be rowing the boat. They need fishing net, they need a boat even. So here I will be only using my posture, like the girls will be holding their basket above their head, and that way you consider. So the very first step is, will be like this, holding this basket, 1, 2, jump, left, left, jump, right, right, jump, left, left, jump. So we are entering to the stage, holding this basket, and little bit girls, this is for girls. So little bit this waistline movement will be there. 1, jump, left, left, jump, right, right, jump, left, left, jump. Then this was 1, music, 2, 3, 4, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This way I have gone 1, left, right, left. Then I will be tapping my right leg and lifting my left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adjust the place. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will move forward to keep this basket in front. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See on the toe. 1, 2, 3. Left 2, 3. Right 2, 3. Left 2, 3. And it's a heavy basket. Lift the basket and keep. And this. You may have some sand in your hand because this is a coastal area. Again I am telling you. So 2, 3. You clean your hands. 1, 2, 3. Again I am doing with the music. Again I am explaining what I have done. I have come with the fishing basket with a fish or empty basket. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Again this waistline will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. While doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And lift up your basket and just keep it down in the ground. 4. Then you see the fish inside. This you have to give an expression. This is the girl's part I'm doing. Okay, this is the girl's part I'm doing. This. Then you clean up your hands. Then you are very happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So jump. Hand will be like this. Jump together. Jump right. Jump right. Lift your right leg. If it is from left side, if it is on left side, then jump and right. Jump and right twice this side, and again for right side, jump and left. So this way I'll be doing this thing 4 times. I came with the basket, I was back, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I came in front, then I'll be moving diagonally straight. I'll put my steps diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Little forward and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and sit with the basket. And I have seen there are so much of fish. Then I clean my hands and I getting myself ready to dance. So I'm playing again the music. Three, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, you can see the boys are coming of males, fishermen are dancing, they are singing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'll go. Three. So there are steps is like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. This way. And it will be like this. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Girl and boy, they both can do this. Girl and boy, they will be doing this. Me, hi, Koli, Suri, li, Koli, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And the next step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just see, side and tap the toe. Left, like this. Then swing your hand right side and hand will be here. See? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's a kind of swinging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have to look in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both boy and girl will be doing this from the song. And as I have done with the basket, girl have entered on the stage and boys are coming with their spade. That also I will be showing you. Girls are coming this way, boys will be coming opposite. Boys. Girls are going in front. They will be also keeping. Yes. After music, we will be starting from Mihai Koli. Again. So we have learned these few steps. Mihai Koli, this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then this will be twice. This line is there twice. 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will not do on the second time 7, 8. Then this fisherman and woman, they both will be dancing together. They will be holding their hands. See, I have to do all alone here. So you just imagine they will do holding their hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again they can exchange. 5, 6, 7, 8. With the music, with the music, होगा। हाथ पकड़ के So let's do again. Four times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, up, down.
कोली सोरील्या सोरीला मुंबईच्या किनारी अगं मारतीन गोली हल्लन गोली गचलचा बाजारी देशाच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडली तुझ्यावरी
So we have done few more steps. One, the way we have turned that time, first time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, the same way, 1, just sidewise. 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down. This is done. Right, up, down. This is also we will be doing 4 times. Then, after 4 times doing this, just say swinging, again swinging. 3 step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll take a right turn only, 5, 6. Again right side only, 7, 8. Then left side, left, right, left, right. I'll take a round from left only, left, लेके फिर left, left. Again I'm doing the next one, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left turn and left side only. Then I will run to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will again run to right, my left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So till this much we will be doing, and again I am doing for you with the music. So here I think one step I have missed with the song. Previously I did not teach you. This is step is same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your right leg and lift up your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first you will cross it out, then 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, like mostly it's a waves. They're always they're watching this lots of waves from the sea. So that is why in their dance you will always feel like that move is of the waves. So that is the reason that there are few of the steps that you will find. It will be easy to remember even for you. This is in, this is out, wave, wave. In, out, wave, wave. Then out, out, up, down, out, out, up, down, left, right, up, down. This is also 4 times. And then this swinging one. Then swing one. See? Because the boat is swinging in the ocean. It's in the wavy and it's moving into the ocean. So, wave, 2, 3, 4. Take a roll and then this. Then left, right, left, right. Take a left turn and left, left. So finally I will be doing with the music track and hope you will be able to dance with me. So let's begin. Lift up your basket. I did not teach you. This is step is same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your right leg and lift up your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first you will cross it out, then 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, like mostly it's a waves. They're always they're watching this lots of waves from the sea. So that is why in their dance you will always feel like that move is of the waves. So that is the reason that there are few of the steps that you will find. It will be easy to remember even for you. This is in, this is out, wave, wave. In, out, wave, wave. Then out, out, up, down, out, out, up, down, left, right, up, down. This is also 4 times. And then this swinging one. Then swing one. See? Because the boat is swinging in the ocean. It's in the wavy and it's moving into the ocean. So wave, 2, 3, 4. Take a roll and then this. Then left, right, left, right. Take a left turn and left, left. So finally I will be doing with the music track and hope you'll be able to dance with me. So let's begin. Lift up your basket. Left. So today we will learn till here. Hope you all have enjoyed because it's a very energetic song. It's a beautiful thing, beautiful dance. Class, I would like to mention again, this is always very beautiful to know each other as under this CBSE project integrating with the subject as I have integrated this co-curricular dance subject with social studies, and I think by this time you have come to know so much, and that is the reason that it is always very good to know about our own state, about our own culture, about our own country, and that is the reason we are following this Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat. So till then, today this much, and again coming week I'll be coming with the next lot of movements and next lot of song of this same song. So till then, keep practicing this dance and stay safe. Bye bye.
किनारी अगं मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली गचल जाऊ